I have to have access to the inside of this panel here, so I'm going to take this little storage net off, and then I'm going to remove this so I can take this cover off. That will expose these two plastic nuts. Remove both. And if you follow it up from here, there's a third one that's hiding right here. Take that one out as well. Now grab onto your taillight, pull it straight out, flip it over, disconnect it. And there you have it. If you had your new taillight, then connect it. Make sure the connector clicks. Line it up with all the mounting holes. Press it in. Reattach your 3 nuts. One here, and don't forget about the one up top. Put this carpet back. Put this back. And hook this back on.